How to redeem the Bank of America travel rewards. Hey guys, and let's get started. It is quite easy to redeem your points for the Bank of America's travel rewards. For this, you can open any of your browser and search for bankofamerica.com, or you could just go to the website or the application. Once this is done, tap on sign in and log in using your credentials. Once that is done, you can select your account and then you will see the rewards section. From there, you can just go to redeeming rewards. Thereby, make sure to select your travel account, and once that is done, you have to now click on redeem points. Thereby, just give in your redeemed option and you're good to go. However, if you're not able to do it, you can also call on the customer support on the number 888-268-7800. So this way you can easily get the rewards point and redeem it. Points on your account are available for redemption as soon as they appear on monthly billing statement. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.